He seems like some kind of cult leader. This is not a good idea. Don't come to me with this because the answer is no. See? Cult. Yeah, it's definitely giving the right vibe. This is amazing. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, a software engineer, and today we're going to be watching Silicon Valley Episode 1, Season 1.
We're making the world a better place through constructing elegant hierarchies for maximum code reuse and extensibility.
What does that even mean? Maximum code reuse hierarchy. I can't remember all the jargon. That's going to make the world a better place. Wow. Alright, let's keep going.
So everyone, here's to many more nights just like this one. Take it away, my good friend, Kid Rock!
What a dick.
Wow. Okay, I just gotta stop there. So it is so cool that they have all these different tech company logos in there. There's so many. You got Google, YouTube, Facebook. I think I saw the Android logo there, HP, and even here you can see the Apple logo. Here, yeah, that's I think now the new Apple Spaceship Campus. But back then, I think when the show first was being produced, they had only just started building it, something like that. So it's so cool that they're featuring all these details in the title card.
Big Head, there is a personal ad section on this.
Okay, this is amazing. So this scene here, okay, it definitely reminds me of times when I've just been coding with my mates at a hackathon, and we're just huddled around a desk with our miscellaneous computers, working late into the night, having some food. Yeah, it's definitely giving the right vibe. Props to the creators there.
We need to talk about Pied Piper.
What about it? The website's up and running. I'm just redesigning the compression. It just needs users.
Yeah, no shit. But even if somebody wanted to use it, they wouldn't be able to figure out how to. It's incomprehensible. Now, Richard, when you pitched me Pied Piper, you said that it was going to be the...
It's interesting here. So I think Richard's the type of person that really just wants to build cool stuff. They're not really focused on, getting significant user growth and what users actually want. They kind of want to build first, get users later. Yeah, so I kind of agree with Erlich here. You don't think about the users from the get-go, then no one's going to use it. You're going to have a hard time finding users.
I can't have dead weight at my incubator, okay? Either that or show some promise, for fuck's sake. Like Nip Alert. Big Head's app, it gives you the location of a woman with erect nipples. Now that's something people want.
Okay, so please don't come to me and ask if you can build this app idea. This is not a good idea, okay? It's purely for comedic humor. Yeah, don't come to me with this and asking, can we build this? Because the answer is probably no.
The world as we know it, making the world a better place through minimal message-oriented transport layers. I firmly believe we can only achieve greatness if first...
He seems like some kind of cult leader, giving out the 10 Commandments or something like that. This guy, yeah, I can tell he's gonna be an interesting character.
Oh god, the marketing team is having another bike meeting. Douchebags.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys remember, but during COVID, people, and even now it's still kind of going on. People are talking about having outside walking meetings and taking a coffee break and walk outside. So yeah, this kind of leans into that a little bit, doesn't it?
Bike meeting. Douchebags.
Just another day inside the Gavin Belson cult compound.
See? Cult.
Hey, did you hear what Peter Gregory is doing?
Look, crunching all those songs to find matches sounds like it would take incredible processing power.
Yes. Yes, it does.
No, it's I made an algorithm.
Look, why don't you send me a link to your project?
So yes, collecting, indexing, and analyzing all that data is going to take some compute power, quite a lot, depending on the algorithm used. But I think what Richard's saying here is that he's managed to find a efficient way of doing it, an efficient algorithm. So let's see what he's got.
And we'll take a look.
Okay, yeah, great. I put the prototype up on GitHub.
It's Pied Piper. I'll look it up.
It's like that.
So this bit I find interesting. Okay, so clearly the algorithm is something that's like really important and a big asset to his company. So why would he put the code up on GitHub where somebody could basically just steal it? It doesn't sound like he has a patent or anything. So I don't see why he would make that open source. Maybe at this point, it sounds like he's more focused on his music app. So it might just be the website. So he's not really seeing the value of the algorithm. So yeah, but yeah, I found it weird that GitHub was mentioned. Yeah, it might just be, a name that the creators have thrown in there.